Welcome to the February edition of TMSA Triad Elementary News 2026.
February is a very special month because we celebrate Black History Month.
This month we honor the achievements, history, culture, and lastly impact the Black leaders past and present.
Throughout February, our students learn about being brave, never giving up, trying new ideas, and doing their best.
Let's take a look at all the exciting things that happened this month at TMSA Triad Elementary. On February 6th, we celebrated our 100th day of school.
And guess what? Our kindergartens age about 95 years overnight.
From gray hair and glasses to canes and cozy cardigans, our students showed up looking 100 years old, young, and 100 days smarter.
We are so proud of all the learning, growing, and leading our Tigers have done in just 100 days.
It was definitely a day to remember.
On February 12th, our fifth graders scientists explored hands-on learning in their life science class.
Students participated in a frog dissection lab to better understand internal body systems.
They identified major organs and learned about structure and function in living organisms.
We are so proud of their curiosity, focus, and teamwork during this exciting science experience.
February 13th, our school was filled with kindness and smiles during our Valentine's Day celebration.
Students shared small gifts, thoughtful notes, and sweet treats with classmates and teachers.
It was a wonderful day of friendship and appreciation.
We love seeing our Tigers show respect, responsibility, and kindness to each other.
On February 16th, our teachers and staff had a professional development day.
Several staff members complete their CPR, AED, and first aid training.
At TMSA Triad Elementary, safety is always a top.
Thank you for your dedicated staff for staying prepared and committed to keeping our school community safe. February 17 was Random Acts of Kindness Day.
Students celebrate by writing kindness notes and sharing positive messages with classmates.
Whether it was helping a friend, saying thank you, or offering a smile, every act of kindness made a difference.
At TMSA, kindness truly ripples through our school.
February 19th was an incredible day of learning and celebration.
Mrs. Ebank's fifth grade students proudly presented their Black History project titled STEM Stars in Black History.
Students researched Black scientists, engineers, mathematicians, and innovators who changed our world.
They learned that Black history goes far beyond the past. It includes excellence, resilience, and groundbreaking achievements in STEM.
Students were challenged with one powerful question. What problem do you see in your daily life, and what would you invent to solve it?
Because here at TMSA, we don't just study, we prepare to make it.
In Miss Wagner's class, students also explored important figures in Black history.
They discovered how many leaders overcame injustice and worked towards freedom, equality, and civil rights.
That evening, we had our Black History celebration, the legacy of excellence.
It was an amazing night filled with powerful student performances and school spirit.
Our dance team and cheerleaders brought incredible energy.
The fashion show was full of confidence and creativity.
Most importantly, we came together as a community to celebrate the achievements and lasting impact of Black leaders.
We are so proud of every scholar who shined on stage.
On February 27th, our K-2 students enjoyed the Cuba dance performance at 8:30 a.m.
Later this morning, grades 3 to 5 had their performance at 9:15 a.m.
Our students explored culture moments and rhythm in the exciting and invigorating way. February was a month full of learning, kindness, celebration, and excellence. From science labs to acts of kindness and powerful Black History Month celebrations, our Tigers truly shined. We are the TMSA Triad Elementary Broadcasting Club. Thank you for watching TMSA Triad Elementary News. TMSA Triad Elementary is where everyone has genius and is a leader. See you next time, and go Tigers! Whoop, whoop!